What's going on, boys? Welcome to another video. So tonight we're just gonna go on a night ride, so I figured why not do a nighttime POV. It's gonna be me and both of the homies that just got eRide Pro 3.0s, so it's gonna be three 3.0s POV nighttime ride. I gotta get past this little section here. There you go. So, welcome to the POV nighttime drive. It is the first time that we're out at night with the eRide Pro 3.0, and we're at 100%, baby. So welcome to another video. I hope you guys enjoy this nighttime POV, and let's get her kicking. We're in eco mode right now. Let's try to pop her up. It's pretty good power, but quick sport. Let's go, baby. All right. I'm hyped, boys. I am hyped. Oh, what is this guy doing? Excuse me. Smelled like pee right there, bro. Oh my gosh, that was not a good smell. That was alright. That was alright. Alright, boys. They said that we were gonna meet here, and I'm guessing they said that because there's like a jump here that they're always doing. So let's try to find them. How's it going? Hey, what's up? Oh, yep, you're on the foot. What's up, brother? Hey.
What's up, dude?
How's it going? Hey, little satin red.
Huh? Oh my goodness.
Yep, little satin red right there.
Vamos.
Watch him, watch him. Let's see Dalton, let's see Dalton. Oh my.
Oh my god.
Oh shit!
That goes in!
Oh my god! Bro! You understand almost like shit?
Like I said, that was the worst.
That was so sketch, bro.
Because you went, dude, you didn't even pump up. Like, you didn't go like this.
Oh, you have the gold one.
Yeah.
Hello?
On the slant, you'll see.
More. Right there.
I see it. Oh.
Damn, I can't believe I didn't record me eating shit, dude. You know, okay, you know when like you go flying off a jet ski from the whiplash because you turn it?
Yeah.
That's how I was.
No, bro, when you go in, dude, the bed was like this, and when you landed, it was just all the dirt. Yeah, he was throttling, bro. I was like, oh my god. That's falling off, so he's holding on.
Dude, yeah, I was literally holding on. cannot catch up to him. Slide into it. Buddy. Buddy. I'm right behind him. Oh, to the left. To the right. Oh. To the left. Never been here, bro. Isn't that shit sick?
It's cool as fuck, dude. I could spend hours here.
Dude, yeah.
This is cool as shit. There's so many different little routes you can do.
Bro, you can keep going, dude. Alright, we're gonna do one run on sport. See how fast we can do it. It might be too much power though. On sport, like I am just flying through these corners. Like brake all the way to the corner. Literally slides to the corner. Brake, the whole corner, I'm really drifting it. Bro, there's too much speed into the corner. Holy. Dude, no, you could just go so hard on it. All right, boys, well, we're on our way back home now. It was a short little ride with the homie Julian and Dalton. That's who we are riding the track with right now. But we're on our way home. Enjoy the ride. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time. We're gonna make a right here on this street. No traffic. Hey, look, baby, big chipper. And then we're gonna cross over right here. And we're basically home, boys. Let's get a couple last wheelies going right here on this street, and we'll call it a video. We're gonna wait for these cars to pass, of course, because I'm still a worm. Let's set a goal. Let's try to go like pole to pole. This pole. Oh, that was good. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Peace.